Yes, you're welcome back. Still on sorting. This time we are going to sort associative arrays. Okay, associative arrays. How can you sort it? Okay, I'm going to quickly delete all this here. Okay, let me create an associative array. And you know that associative array that like I told you, has key and value. Okay, that's a key. It has a kind of key value pair. Okay, well, let's do it so that you remember if you have forgotten. Okay, let's say you want to create an associative array. Let's say people and their ages. Okay, people and their ages. You can just create age array equals to then array, then you put let's say Joseph, which is the key. Let's say myself is Joseph. Okay, then you point it to the key, which is let's say 35. Okay, now here is just an array with this one value for now. I will add other values. The first, this is the key, okay, and this is the value. That is to say, Joseph is 35. That's what it's talking about, okay? And this is age array. You get that? Then you just put comma. Then you put another person, let's say John. Then you point John to the age, and the age of John, let's say 14, then comma again. Then maybe the next person is, maybe let's say Mary, or before you do that, okay, you put it in quotes again, Mary, okay. Then you point to the age of Mary, let's say 25. Okay, let me put one more. What again am I going to put? Who again am I going to add right now? Okay, let's say Jane. Okay, I won't tell you why these names are coming so quickly to me. These people are important people, okay? Don't mind me, I'm joking. Okay, let's quickly move on. There are so many important people. Everybody around me, they are all important. So important people. Even you, you're so important to me. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Now let's quickly move on. Don't mind me, okay? They are so important to me. Let's continue. Jane is, let's say 28. I think we've done something great here, and this is associative array that we created. We close it up with a semicolon. This is an associative array. This is the key, Joseph. That's the name, the name of the key, then the value. The key, the value, the key, the value, the key, and the value. Okay? Now you can sort associative array based on the key or based on the value. You get that? You can sort based on the key. And you can also sort associative array based on the value. You get that? Depends on what you want to sort it with. Okay? But now we are going to start with sorting associative array in ascending order according to the value. Okay? So we are going to sort this associative array in ascending order according to the value. And this is the value. Okay? In ascending order according to the value. Let's go there. Okay. We are going to use for each loop to do this. Before that, let's first of all, we are going to use a sort like this. Like just put a before sort. Okay? Then you put age in it because you're sorting age. Okay? That's beautiful. Okay? When you are through with that, the next thing is to use for each loop. You're going to use for each loop to get it sorted out. to bring not that place. You're going to use for each loop to loop through the content of this array and bring them up. Okay, bring them out. Okay, display them on the screen. That's what I mean. Okay, using this loop for each loop. Okay, now for each loop, you are going to say for each. Then you put for each age. You are going to put associative array. That's the name of this associative array that you want to sort. Put it age as. You're going to put. Then when you say as, then you have to put a variable. Okay, just any variable at all. I've taught you this associative array before. You can refer to it. Okay, and let's say for each age let's say x, anything at all. Okay, let me use another thing for each age as number, anything at all can serve. Okay, can this number going to confuse you? I pray it won't, but just know that you can anything at all work here. Okay, then you say number to value, then maybe this one will be number value. That is, you are going to assign a variable to this key, which is this variable key. Do you get that? Okay, let me just call it key. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, good. This key, which is the variable, is assigned to, it is representing all the keys here. That is the key, the name we have here. That is what this is representing. You get that? Good. Then the value, let's call it value as well. Good. Value is, this is representing the value here. Just know that you can call it anything. You get that? Good. Just like it's once it's a variable, you know how to define a variable. Okay. So having done that, then you come down, open brackets. Good. Then you echo. What you're going to echo right now is that you're going to echo this key and then the value. You get that? Okay. So you are going to say, let's say, you're going to say, let's just call it. Let's use okay, let's just echo it just that way. You can echo it as key. Okay. Then let's concatenate the two. We're going to concatenate the two using dot this way. Okay. Value. Okay, but I'm going to say key equals to, I'll put this to another dot here, then in bracket at the center of that dot I will put equals to this way. This equal sign, this equal sign, let me make a space, so there will be a space for this and this. This equal sign is in between the key and the value. That is to say, it will display the key, which is the name, then it will display the value. You get that? Then close it with semicolon. That's beautiful, isn't it? Then if you wanted to break to the next line, instead of echoing, instead of displaying on one straight horizontal line, what you're going to do, you echo what? You echo break like we used to. You echo break. Okay? Then close semicolon. Beautiful. I think you've done a good job. Still? Now let's test it. I believe you understand this. You use for each loop, you assign, this for each loop you are testing, you are looking through this age array, okay, and you assign this key variable to the key, and the value variable to the value. I'm echoing them out. You get that? So it's going to echo each, for each loop, we'll loop through or each of them and echo them out. It will continue to echo until it's finished echoing all of them. Once it's finished echoing, it will stop. You get that? That is the work of this for each. So if you watch for each now, you see that it's not like for loop. Okay? You just bring them out just like other loops, but only that it is used for arrays, and they work so well with associative array. Okay, you can see it's for loop for array, but you know for loop goes with condition. Like you have to put a condition. With this one, you see that you don't put any condition, just assign a variable to the key and the value, then you echo them out. That's value. Then having done that, let's run. Let's see what we get. Do you see that? You see that it echoed the whole names out, and it's ordered them according to the value. That is, it sorted them out according to the value. You see that it's sorted in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order, starting from 25. Continue. Okay, continue. 28 ascending, 35 ascending, 40. You get that? It didn't sort it out based on the value. Okay, sorry, based on the key. If you want, you see that these keys are not sorted out, but this one is sorted out. You get that? Very good. Now even this one, they started with J. I think I have to change one of them. Okay, let me change John to. So let me change on to shade. Okay, jump to shade. Okay, pink. Okay, Joseph to Ushe. Okay. So having done a good job right now, let's try sorting it out based on the key. If you want to sort this associative array based on the key, then you are going to just put K here. Okay, it will be K sort. This K sort, we sort it in descending order according to the key. And which is the key? The names here are the key. Like the first option here, the key, then the next one is the value. The key is pointing to the value. That's what you have here. Okay? So once you put K sort, you are sorting the key. You are sorting according to the key. If you put A sort, you are sorting according to their value. Hope that makes sense? Okay, let's try. Let's see what we get. You see that? You see that it's sorted according to the key here. That is why C comes first, Jane follow, then Mary Ushe last. You get that? That is it. Okay, then let's look at other ones. Like you want to sort in descending order. Okay, you know we've been sorting in ascending order. If you want to sort the associative array in descending order, you are going to just put AR sort for the key. If you want to sort based on the value, put AR like this, AR. It will reverse it. You get that? This is, this for descending. Okay, then it will reverse the sort. Let's see what we get. Do you see? According to the key, the value, sorry, and this is descending, starting from 40 downward. Do you get that? Okay. Now, if you want to sort according to the value, according to the key, you put KR. You get that? That's just simple. It will reverse according to a key. You see that which is now the first, shade is the last. So that is sorting for you. I think we've gotten something valuable today. Thank you so much.